Hi students, ladies and gentlemen. We've been discussing about so many careers, and today I'm going to talk about a career as an actuary. Many students who are really fascinated about numbers, if they are so crazy about numbers, working with numbers and interested in mathematics, they will find this career really interesting, and they will do well also in this career. So let us jump into the presentation. Yes. So I'm going to talk about the actuary career, and this is mainly for students who are interested in analyzing data or information. So what is actuarial science actually? So actuarial science involves statistics, probability, knowledge of business and economics. And for example, the amount that you must pay for your insurance plan is calculated by an actuary. So this is what is about actuarial science. Not many people have spoken about it, but it's a very good career. This has got a lot of prospects and a lot of demand. Being an actuary is one of the finest careers for mathematical geniuses with excellent problem solving skills, business awareness, and number crunching abilities. So this is one thing which you have to keep in mind when you're choosing your career. And also the major responsibility of an expert in the field is to analyze the financial costs of risk and uncertainty. And as a business professional, an actuary has an outstanding capacity to figure out the risk possibilities associated with financial activity and mitigate the risks involved in that. So in simple words, we can say that any business that requires risk management utilizes the services of actuaries. And according to the Labor Statistics Bureau, the actuary field will fitness at least 26% of growth by next 2 to 3 years. And the scope of career opportunities for actuaries is also expected to keep increasing, wherein they will be offered more responsibilities in the future. And the roles of an actuary. So the roles of an actuary includes the analyze statistical data such as mortality, accident, sickness, disability, and retirement rates, and construct probability tables to forecast risk and liability for payment of future benefits. They may ascertain insurance rates required and cash reserves necessary to ensure payment and future benefits. And also the eligibility to become an actuary is a graduate degree in statistics, mathematics, actuarial science, and finance will open prospects for entry-level jobs in the field of actuary. And the subject combination will be students with mathematics, economics, commerce as the main subject in class 12 are eligible to take up actuarial science and associated courses like mathematics and statistics. And right from class 12, the students must have outstanding skills in mathematics, and people with good mathematical background will excel in the field of actuary. And graduate degree in statistics, mathematics, actuarial science, that will help them to enter into this. And also the higher level of jobs in the field of actuary can be achieved only through requisite and specialized skills in that field. And when we talk about the eligibility for taking a bachelor's course in actuarial science, statistics, mathematics, finance, and associated fields, students must have studied mathematics, economics, commerce as their major subjects in class 12. And if these students are interested in pursuing a master's degree course in the field of the actuary, and associated courses must have a bachelor degree in the relevant field. And for taking the bachelor's course in actuarial science, statistics, for research courses in the field of actuary, students must have a master's degree. And for master's and research courses, most universities conduct an entrance exam. So mostly there is no entrance test for bachelor courses, but a few premier institutes conduct entrance for UG level courses too. And the job titles, what an actuary gets is actuarial analyst, actuarial associate, actuarial consultant, actuary, consulting actuary, retirement actuary, product development actuary, pricing analyst, pricing actuary, health actuary, etc. And the tasks, what all the work they'll be doing, they'll ascertain premium rates required and cash reserves and liabilities necessary to ensure payment of future benefits. And also they design, review, and help administer insurance, annuity, and pension plans, determining financial soundness and calculating premiums. And they also determine or help determine company policy and certain complex technical matters to company executives, government officials, shareholders, policyholders, or the public, and provide advice to clients on a contract basis, working as a consultant. And also they analyze statistical information to estimate mortality, accident, sickness, disability, and retirement rates, and also construct probability tables for events such as fires, natural disasters, and unemployment based on analysis of statistical data and other pertinent informations. And also they negotiate terms and conditions of reinsurance with other companies and collaborate with programmers, underwriters, accounts, claim experts, and senior management to help companies develop plans for new lines of business or improvements to existing businesses. And they determine equitable basis for distributing surplus earnings under participating insurance and annuity contracts in mutual companies, and testify before public agencies on proposed legislation affecting businesses. And also they determine policy contract provisions for each type of insurance, and they testify in court as expert witness or to provide legal evidence on matters such as the value of potential lifetime earnings of a person disabled or killed in an accident, and provide expertise to help financial institutions manage risks and maximize returns associated with investment products or credit offerings. And now let us see the technological skills they need to possess. They need to have this analytical scientific software knowledge, that is IBM SPSS statistics, insightful S plus SAS statistical software, etc. And business intelligence and data analysis software called as ClickView, and compliance software, compliance testing software they should know, and database user interface, data entry software, Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle software, structured query language, that means SQL, and also development environment software, that is Microsoft Visual Basic, Microsoft Visual Basic for applications of VBA. And also electronic mail software, IBM Lotus Notes, financial analysis software, GGY Access, Oak Mountain software, annuity value, pricing software, Towers, Perrin, Moses, and graphics or photo imaging software, Microsoft Visio. And the object or component oriented development software, that is C++, Oracle, Java, Python, R, and object oriented database management software, Microsoft Visual Fox Pro, and Office software, Microsoft Office, presentation software, Microsoft PowerPoint, and project management software, Microsoft Project, spreadsheet software, Microsoft Excel, and the word processing software, Microsoft Word. And the knowledge what they need to possess is the knowledge of maths, knowledge of economics and accounting, knowledge of English, and computers and electronics knowledge, and law and government, and administration and management. And the skills what they need to possess is critical thinking, judgment and decision making, mathematics, reading comprehension, complex problem solving, system evaluation, speaking, system analysis, active learning, writing, operation analysis, monitoring, time management, coordination, instructing, learning strategies, negotiation, persuasion, active learning, etc. These are all the skills they need to possess. And the ability are mathematical reasoning, number facility, deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning, near vision, oral comprehension, written comprehension, category flexibility, information ordering, oral expression, problem sensitivity, written expression, originality, and then speech clarity, flexibility, of course, selective attention, speech recognition, fluency of ideas. And the work activities will be, they'll be analyzing data and information, process information, interacting with computers, making decisions and solving problems, getting information, evaluating information to determine compliance with standards, and updating and using relevant knowledge, and communicating with supervisors and subordinates, and also interpreting the meaning of information for others, and estimating the quantifiable characteristics of products, events, and information, and provide consultation and advice to others, and identifying objects, actions, and events, and organizing, planning, and prioritizing work, and also thinking creatively. This is very, very important, and communicating with persons outside the organization, and establishing with persons, communicating, establishing and maintaining interpersonal relationship, documenting and recording information, developing objectives and strategies, and developing and building teams, training and teaching others, coaching and developing others, coordinating the work activities with others, and guiding, directing, and motivating subordinates, and judging the qualities of things and people, and the work activities in detail. If you see, they need to know how to manage financial activities of the organization, analyze data to identify trends or relationships among variables, develop organizational goals or objectives, negotiate contracts with clients or service providers, provide customer service to clients or users, analyze health-related data, collaborate with others to develop or implement marketing strategies. And if they have interest to do routine job, follow set procedures, working with data, working with ideas, fact-finding, risk-taking, problem-solving, then they will be able to do this very, very well. And the personality, what they need to possess is the traits of analytical thinking, attention to detail, integrity, achievement, and effort, dependability, persistence, and initiative. They need to cooperate, adaptable, flexible, stress tolerant, leadership, independence, self-control, innovation. So these are all some of the things they need to have as their personality. And the types of job roles: property and casualty, insurance actuaries, pension and retirement actuary, health insurance actuary, and life insurance actuaries. And employment opportunities for actuaries, if you see the employee benefits departments, they will get jobs, large corporations, government departments, consulting firms, investment firms, hospitals, accounting, finance, underwriting, insurance companies, etc. And top recruitment agencies for actuaries are Fortis Insurance, Allianz Cornhill, Brit Insurance, Irish Life, Bartlett Actuarial Services, Deloitte, Brian Watson Associates, HDFC, Cartwright Consulting, Zurich Financial Services. These are all the companies, and these are all some details about actuaries. And if you want any more details, you can reach me and get in touch with me. And this is a fantastic career with a lot of demand, and many are not aware of it. And if you're a mathematic savvy person who wanted to work with analyzing information and data, right away take this as your career. Stay blessed.